Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Paul Jeffries and today we'll be fitting the cam followers and the camshaft to this engine which I'm building for Dave Jaguar 66. I'll be right back. Right, okay, the followers that we're going to be using for this engine are Mini Spares competition spec followers. They've got the oil drain hole at the bottom of them. You might not be able to see it very well on the video. There's like a little drain hole there. Okay. Right. When you install these, just give them a dab of the Miller's or whichever lubricant you want to use. I use Miller's, either Miller's or Torco. I'm using Miller's in this instance. Just give them a brush round. Just round the sides to begin with. What I normally use is this, which is a magnet. It's much easier to get them in with this. Just pop it in. Position, push it down. Same again. Give it a brush up with the lubricant. And the magnet. Pop it into position. Right, I'm not going to bore you with all the rest of them, it's all exactly the same through the six, so I'll be right back. Okay, the camshaft that we're going to be using for this build is a new Piper Cams 649 billet scatter camshaft. You can see there. It's a race spec camshaft, as this engine is going to be used for track days and maybe a bit of hill climbing and stuff like that. So just unwrap it. You're going to need a blade for this, I think. Just grab a blade. Okay. Just open this packet. Okay. Like I say, it's a brand new camshaft, forged from a steel billet, and you can see it's a billet by the oil holes. Can you see them on the lobes there? That's how you can tell it's a billet cam. Okay, I'll just slot this in now. Be very, very careful. Actually, I'll put a bit of lubricant on the cam bearings. These are brand new cam bearings in this block. I put in a little bit of lube on the journals of the camshaft. You can always lubricate the actual lobes afterwards. It's just the bearing faces that you need to do for now. Okay. Now be very, very careful when you're inserting the camshaft into the block. You don't want to catch the bearing faces. Just take your time. It will go in. There you go. Make sure it twists freely, which it does. And there you go. One camshaft in. Alright, that's a very short and sweet video, guys. The next time I'll be fitting the SH Engineering aluminium belt drive kit and the NED modified rear cam plate as well. So I hope you'll join me for that one. And in the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye bye.